Welcome to Calwain Health TV. Let's cook something delicious today. Rosemary seared salmon with cherry tomatoes. Healthy, quick, and bursting with flavor. You'll need salmon fillets, cherry tomatoes, fresh rosemary, olive oil, garlic, and a few basic spices. Check the description below for full details. Begin by prepping your ingredients. Season the salmon, mince the garlic, and set aside your rosemary. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Let it shimmer, not smoke. Place the salmon skin side down. Gently press it for even searing. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the skin crisps, then flip and cook another 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the salmon. In the same pan, sauté garlic, add cherry tomatoes and rosemary, and cook until the tomatoes soften and blister. Return the salmon to the pan, add a drizzle of lemon juice for brightness, and let everything meld for a minute. Serve the salmon alongside the cherry tomatoes. Garnish with rosemary for that final touch. Packed with nutrients and flavor, this dish is a must-try. Let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to Calwain Health TV. See you next time on Calwain Health TV.